Hey guys, it's Janice. Welcome back to my channel. I recently moved my setup to a different room, so I'm super excited to show you what my new cozy study/work/gaming space looks like. Thanks to GOODWALL for sponsoring this video. I'll be talking more about them later in the video. As for all the tech and equipment, not much has changed. The biggest difference now is that I have a lot of daylight coming in, which is nice because I was definitely not getting enough light where I was before. I like to have two monitors side by side because I tend to multitask, and having the second monitor helps me a lot because I can be doing something on one monitor and be able to look at something else on the other monitor. Thankfully, the desk that I'm using in this room is a lot bigger than the one before, so I'm not fighting for a room as much. I'm still using the same mechanical keyboard, which has Cherry MX Brown switches that are perfect for gaming and typing in my opinion. You can see the RGB lighting in this shot, and all those colors just make me super happy, especially at night when I can see them a lot better. Here's a little audio clip of what typing on brown switches sounds like. I've got a Logitech gaming mouse, a black desk mat from Amazon Basics, and also my Blue Yeti microphone, which is what I use for gaming as well as recording audio for my videos. I added some hand-drawn prints on the wall from a team of talented artists at Codex Anatomicus, which I think just adds a beautiful touch to the space. On top of the drawer I have next to the desk, I put an Apple Watch and phone stand, and this is where I charge my watch and phone while I am working on the computer. I also have my Nintendo Switch docked and connected to the monitor. And of course, I have the most sentimental part of this setup, which is the 100,000 subscriber award from YouTube. All thanks to you guys and your never-ending support for my content, so thank you. And here's what the space looks like at nighttime. I added some Amazon string lights to the curtains, which makes the whole area look super cozy. Thank you so much to GOODWALL for partnering with me on this video. GOODWALL is an inspirational community for students, young professionals, and entrepreneurs to connect with one another for free, form social networks, and discover scholarships and jobs. There are over 1.5 million people using GOODWALL from all around the world, and GOODWALL offers more than 5 million opportunities and $1.5 million in scholarships for its users. You can create your own profile to showcase your background, skills, experiences, and also participate in weekly challenges to positively impact the world on a global level. You can join groups to connect with others who have the same interests as you, and of course, explore different scholarships, as I said, career opportunities, and internships. Right now, GOODWALL is running a program known as Better Together, where you can participate in challenges, win prizes, and connect with role models and mentors, among other perks. One of the Better Together challenges I participated in was Achievement, where I reflected on my YouTube milestone of passing 100,000 subscribers, and all I had to do was upload a photo and add the hashtags. I definitely encourage you guys to participate in the remaining challenges by downloading GOODWALL on your phone, tag me in it at Janice Studies, and I'd love to see what you guys post. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Here are some other videos from my channel that I recommend.